Okay, team, let's dissect a website, shall we? So, in the book, obviously, I talk about a couple of things. Number one is how to test your website to make sure that it works. So, I mentioned a website. This website is usertesting.com. Usertesting.com. I've used it many, many times. It's a fantastic little website and it really does help get feedback from actual humans. Sometimes when you have your own business and your own website, it's hard for you to see from outside the box, for example. And when you have something like usertesting.com, it really does help. The cost is very, very cost effective. I paid $50 to have 3 people look at the website. As you can see here, they record themselves as they are running through it. You can hear their voice, their tone, and how they interact. And you also records the screen as well, which is really important because you will see where they're getting stuck. Again, usertesting.com, fantastic resource for that. So one thing that you're going to be looking for, number one, is your website easy to book on? So as soon as you land on this page here, doesn't matter whether you're on the laptop version or the mobile version, is it easy to get to the booking page? Now, if you want a super quick way of doing this on your computer without having to flip from your phone to a laptop, the best way to do it, jump onto a computer right now and go to your website, grab the bottom right hand corner, just like I'm doing here on the screen, and drag it. Now, when you drag it, you'll see that the screen size adjusts. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to bring it to a size that looks like your phone, whether it be an iPhone or a Hawaii phone or an Android or whatever you're looking for. And what you're basically making sure here is, how does it look? How is it clickable? Is it easy to navigate through? Which, you know, as you can see here, they've got lukestays.com. I've got a little chat bot here, which is pretty cool. I can tap on that and I'll be able to speak directly to their team. I can click on here to tap availability. So let's just say I want to go and check out leads. I want to arrive sometime around here. I've got two humans, no animals, etc. 2 adults, and just see how easy it is to navigate through your site. So again, if I click onto here, come into the penthouse apartment, do the images look good? And then is it easy to actually make a booking? Are my dates available? The ones that I've popped in, can I complete it? Can I do all those? Can I do all those things? And this is what you're checking. This is exactly what you're looking for and trying to do and trying to figure out. If I bring it back up into a laptop view, you can see it does go straight to it, which is handy, which is you know, it takes you straight to where you want it to be. Now, also things that you're looking for. Number one, have you got a nice little bit about you, the owner, on your website, on the homepage? And what I really want to focus on here is make sure that 80% of your information is on that homepage, because this is where your future potential guests will spend most of their time. So can you tick over the boxes that I go over in the book? You know, can you show your team? Can you show what you have to offer? Doesn't matter whether this is a one portfolio property, bed and breakfast, guest house, etc., or if you've got numerous properties. Now, Luke Stays have got 100 plus. I mentioned this in the book, but don't have big blocks of text when you can use icons. Showcase the places that you are. Have real-time reviews appearing here for the social proof, and also as well the benefits of booking direct. Best rates, check-in, check-out, early hamper, welcome hamper, activity vouchers, etc. And frequently asked questions. This is the final barrier that someone will have, is like, do they have a question? And if they can see the FAQs here, your frequently asked questions, on the homepage of your website, then they're much more likely to complete it and then go to that booking page. I spoke about in the book about to blog or not to blog. It literally is a personal preference. If you can outsource it, fantastic. If you want to keep it in-house, you know, just as good. But this is literally like the layout that you should be looking for your website. It's nothing too fancy. It's nothing too flash. It's basically really doing the core basics well of a direct booking website which is knocking down all the potential barriers that your future potential guest has when going through your actual website. So if you want to find out more about this, lukestays.com. I did mention in the book that we have a portfolio page. You can go check out others and other websites from around the world and through different niches. boostly.co.uk/portfolio. Do have a little look around and get a good feel about how websites should be. If you want to mimic our style for your page, 100% more than welcome to. Lots of others do, but do go and check out that link. If you're thinking, you know what, I'd rather just speak to Boostly, head to boostly.co.uk/websites, and you can have a really good look through here about the work that we're doing. And if you want to book a call, you can do so by just clicking on any of the orange buttons that are on this page. All right, everybody, good luck with this. Let me know when you've done. Do send me your homework, your links to your websites. If you want me to have a look at it, Instagram is the best place to do so. And if you're good on this section, let's move on to the next part of the book.